You have any more bobbers?
I have the ass and little ones. Yeah.
Those are great fish.
I would just cut them.
That's a big snapping turtle too, bro. Damn.
Córtale menos la bolita, no córtale.
Yeah,
Oh, you calling it too.
I would just cut the bobber.
Entonces, pues se te quedan pescados, ¿sí?